Each day, the skies are blue
because of hearts so brave and true.
They faced the dark so we could see
that freedom isn't always free.
Freedom isn't free, it comes with a cost.
So many gave, so nothing was lost. We live today because they fought. Their courage can't be bought.
The silence tells of those who fell.
The stories only time can tell.
We hold their names in memory's hand.
They gave their lives to guard this land.
The children laugh, the church bells ring because of all their suffering.
We live in peace, we stand in grace because they took that sacred place. We'll light a candle, we'll stand tall, grateful hearts for one and all. Their bravery, our melody, freedom lives through you and me.
Freedom isn't free, it comes with a cost. So many gave, so nothing was lost. We live today because